Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a footnote in Word. So what we have here is a page with some text on it. Let's say this is a quote or a piece of information, and we want to add a footnote to it, basically to cite our source for this specific part. First, click at the end of the information where you want your footnote to appear. Make sure your cursor is right at the end of that sentence or phrase. Next, go up to the menu at the top and select the References tab. Then click on Insert Footnote. Once you do that, you'll see a new section appear down at the bottom of the page. Here, simply type in the source for your information, for example, a URL or a book reference. Press Enter when you're done, or click anywhere on the screen to exit that area. That's it. You'll now notice a small number, like a tiny 1, next to your text. If you hover your mouse over that number, you'll see the footnote you just added. And if you click on the number itself, it'll take you right down to the Footnotes section at the bottom of the document. And that's how easy it is to add a footnote in Word. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more useful tutorials like this.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.